So today I wanted to shoot my latest obsessions where I show you guys my absolute favorite products for the past month or two. I don't do it every single month, just when I have something good to show. I wanted to say a huge thank you to GlassesUSA.com for sponsoring this video. So first things first that I wanted to show, this is a brush that I use for dry brushing, and if you don't know what dry brushing is, it's basically brushing your body when it's dry. It is really good for circulation to get that lymphatic system going. It's also great for cellulite. It's great for dry skin. It's just an amazing way to kind of do a little detox for the body and get things moving. You don't have to do it rough. I know when I started doing dry brushing, it's really painful, like it feels awkward on the skin. That's something we used to. So don't feel the need to necessarily press on the skin. It's just gentle strokes. I think I got this on Amazon and I've been using it a lot. I think especially now that the summer is going, I just want to make sure my body is smooth and I look like a dolphin. Goals. Then I have my sunglasses and glasses. You guys see me wear these a lot in a lot of my content. A lot of you guys ask me where I get them. So I get my glasses from Glasses USA, and I wanted to show you guys the 3 pairs that I wear the most. This one is probably the one that you've seen the most in my content. I am kind of blind, so I do wear glasses, especially like when I drive, when I watch TV, when I go to the movie theater. So I guess it's long, short-sighted, far-sighted, short-sighted. GlassesUSA.com is a great website that basically cuts the middleman out, so you get glasses for 70% off than what you'll find in different stores. So the prices is affordable, but you can also put your prescription in it. I just upload my prescription onto the website and they basically send me it in the glasses that I choose. There's also a really cool feature, it's my favorite, and I know you'll appreciate it, where you take a selfie and then you can actually try on the glasses on the picture. So this is why when I got these, they were just perfection. So this is the first pair that I've probably been wearing the most. Then I have this pair when I want to look a little more professional and strict. Do I look strict? Yeah, I do. I have a very small face shape, so I need glasses that will look good on me, and there's so much to choose from. There's like over 4,000 different styles on the website, from designer to in-house brands. The third one is a classic that I find that I always need to have in my closet is the Ray-Bans. I wear them a lot, especially on the weekends with the kids when we do like active stuff. You can't go wrong with these. And on GlassesUSA.com you can get a complete set of glasses with frames for starting from like $30. If you are interested to see the glasses that I'm wearing, I'm going to link it and you can find it in the GlassesUSA.com website and see if it looks good on you. And then we can be twinsies. The next product that I'm really excited to show you is a new company that I've never heard of. I was at some clean beauty store in New York and I saw this and I really wanted to try it. It's a company called Suntegrity, and it's basically a moisturizing face sunscreen. So you see a lot of products, especially in the summer, that are kind of BB cream with sunscreen. Those are more on the cosmetic, like makeup side, where this is based on like SPF. It's SPF first and then the tint and the coverage is later. So this has a mineral matte tinted coverage. It has peptides and vitamin C and E, and it has a broad spectrum SPF 30. Also, things that I didn't even read when I bought was the fact that it has blue light protector, oil and silicone free. I know that some people get irritated by it, so this one is good. There's different shades. I bought the sand and I got it a few months ago, but I was so pale that it was too dark for me. So when I went to Greece and I got a little tan, I started using it and now I can't get enough. It just gives like a really good coverage that's matte, but not like in a really makeup-y heavy way. I love the fact that it is SPF first. Okay, next product that I've been abusing, and this is my third one for the past 2 months, is the Gimme Brow by Benefit. I finally found my perfect shade, which is number 3, and I am absolutely obsessed with anything that will minimize the amount of steps I have to do every single morning. So if before I was using kind of the brow gel and then the pencil, with this I don't use anything but this, especially like during days where I don't really need to do much. So I wear really minimal makeup, if any, and then I'll just use this Gimme Brow. It's volumizing and it has fiber gel. So basically there's fibers that just stick to your hairs and make your brow look fluffier. This is what I'm wearing now, and I love to first apply it this way. I already had them on, so I don't want to mess it up. And then I go against the hair and then I'll brush it out again. And it just really does a great job with hiding and filling all those little holes, and you don't have to use a pencil. I am so obsessed with it. This is also waterproof, so that means sweat proof, and that means Valeria approved. Next product that I've seen around on social media and never really had a chance to try. It's a company that I really like, TATCHA. I've been using their moisturizing like water cream in the winter, and it was absolutely phenomenal. I have really sensitive dry skin, so it did a great job with hydrating my skin. I really wanted to try this TATCHA Silk Canvas. So this is a primer, and I don't usually wear a primer, but I found that in the evenings, especially during summertime, I just want to give a little more smoother look to the pores, and I have to still figure out a way for it to be a little more hygienic, because you do use your fingers to apply it. But otherwise, I really love the texture, I love the feel, I love what it does to the skin. It still kind of keeps that beautiful bare skin look, but it just really does a good job with putting like a film over your skin. And I do love the fact that it's kind of has a cool feel to it when you apply it to the skin, and it doesn't feel like gel, because I know there's some primers that are like very jelly like, and I don't like it. So I bought the little sample size from Sephora. So far I really like it, and I think it's gonna last me for a very long time because I don't wear a primer during the day. Next up is this LANEIGE Sleeping Care Lip Sleeping Mask. I've been using it for years. I don't think I've shown it too many times. I think maybe I posted it once or twice on my Instagram, but I was just in Greece and I took it with me, and my girlfriends tried it out and they were obsessed. So I think it just reminded me how great of a product it is. This is, I think, the 5th or 6th bottle that I bought from them. I've been using it for a couple of years now. It's a Korean brand, and it's basically like a mask for your lips. And when you wake up in the morning, it just does such a great job to hydrate the lips. If you have an issue of dry lips like myself, especially sometimes in the house, the air is not moving as much. So it does just like a good job with keeping it really hydrated throughout the night. Also amazing for winter. I'll usually keep a sample size bottle in the car that I can apply during the day when it's really cold and my lips are like raisin looking. And then last but not least is a pencil that I've tried lately. I am not big into pencils, lip pencils or anything like that, but I saw a friend using it and I was really curious about it. So this is from MAC, and the pencil called Spice. It just does a really good job, especially with my color of lips. It just does a really good job with lining them, but also making them look really fluffy. Not fluffy, who wants fluffy lips? Really plump. If you have lips that have a little pigment like mine, this pencil is just like a really natural way to perfect those beautiful plumpy lips. You can also intensify it. So I mean, if you want to just like a little bit of definition, you can use it like this, but then if you want to add color, you just pile it on and it's like a perfect shade. I really wanted to feature a book, but I didn't read any for the past like 2 months because it's been a little crazy. So hopefully next one I'll have something good for your brain. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Thank you, beauties, for watching my current obsessions. If you're interested, you can check out my summer essentials right here. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell.